teacher, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going back to basic, and today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a braid. Like if you're a beginner, you have never done a braid before and you want to learn, this video is amazing. This video will help you a lot. So I started braiding on a very young, so I started braiding my own hair before I started braiding on people. So I learned braiding my own hair by myself, and I'm going to show you guys how you can learn how to braid by watching this video. So there are two ways that I start to braid, that you can start to braid your hair. So first of all, you want to section the hair that you're going to braid out. If you're a beginner, this process is usually very confusing so that you don't pull other hair along with the hair that you want to braid. So you want to use a band, a rubber band, a pin, a hair clip to secure the hair that you're not going to braid out of the way. Then you're going to section that hair and you're going to section it again into 3 parts. Then this is the first, as you can see on this video, this is one way that you can put your braiding hair together. So you can section the hair into 2, then you want to overlap the hair and then pull them apart. As you can see on this video, by watching it alone, you'll be able to try it yourself and practice and see. So for me, it's all I would say is practice makes perfect. The first time you do this may not be the perfect time, but by the time you keep doing it over and over again, you will get a hold of the technique. So as I mentioned before, there are 2 ways that I like to do my extension. This is actually not my preferred way because this takes longer than the way that I actually prefer, but I'm just showing you guys how you can do this. And this is how a lot of people braid, and this is a lot how I saw a lot of people that braid my hair do their extension before they start braiding. So you just want to attach the hair that you section out to the extension that you want to attach to the hair. So you're going to section the hair into 3 parts, and you're going to hold the extension also into 3 parts. As you can see, I have my middle finger between one of the hair extension, and I'm just going to start to do like overlap. It's like overlapping the extension one by one. Guys, if you watch this video carefully and slowly, I'm doing a very slow motion so that you can see how to do it. You are going to see that it's very simple. It's like by the time you practice more, you're going to be like, oh my goodness, why did it take me so long to practice? You learning how to braid will save you a lot of money. Here in Canada, if you want to get your hair braid, if you have anything less than a 125, 150, you're not going to get your braids. Like there are some people that does their braid cheaper, but if you want to get your hair done really nice, they really charge a whole lot of money. So if you learn how to braid, you're going to save yourself money, you're going to save yourself time, and also the waiting in line or trying to book an appointment to get your hair done. So as I said before, there are 2 ways that I love to braid. So I prefer one way than the other one. I'm just showing you guys this technique. I think I have a braiding tutorial before, but I just want to show you guys one more time because I know a lot of comments that I get is, oh, I wish I knew how to braid. I can't braid to save my life. Practice, guys, practice, 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 and by the time you know it, you will get a hang of it. So as you can see, it's very like slow motion, it's overlapping. Taking one and putting the other one under the other one is like overlapping the hair, like the extension. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys another method how I like to hold my extension when ready. So I'm going to show you guys my second method. This is my favorite method on how to hold the extension if I want to attach it to the hair. So I section out the hair, and this time around I do not section the hair into three. I only section it into one, but the way I'm going to hold my extension is also going to be different. So I'm going to take an extension. I'm not going to overlap it. As you guys saw the first method, as you can section the hair apart, overlap it, and start braiding. But this time around, I'm not overlapping it. I'm just taking the extension and I'm holding it with my 3 fingers, and I'm going to go ahead and put my index finger in between the other side, and I'm going to attach that to my hair. So I hope this, by watching this, you can see how easy it is. This is my favorite way to attach an extension to my braiding hair. If I'm doing a braid, and this is my favorite way because it doesn't create that lump at the beginning. I don't know if I'm, yeah, you guys just watch and see how I'm doing it. As you can see, I did not section the hair into three, so that's the first time. And yeah, this is my favorite method. This is easier for me and it's less time consuming than the other one, because the other one, the time you're going to take to overlap it is, I think that is just for me. I don't prefer it that way, so I prefer it this way. And also, as you can see at the bottom, there is no, at the beginning, the knot on it is not big, it's not noticeable. Like, it is noticeable with this hair because it's colored hair, but if it was a black extension, you will not be able to differentiate that much. So as I said before, this is my favorite way. You just want to go ahead and start and braiding. You put one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, and until you get to the end. That is how you braid. Guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. Um, have you been practicing? Do you want me to upload other videos on different hair tutorials that you really want to learn? As I mentioned before, this will save you a lot of money if you know how to do hair. If you're a mother and or you're planning to become a mother in the future, this will save you a whole lot of money if you have a girl. Like now, I don't spend money in doing my daughter's hair. I hardly spend money doing my hair because I can sit down and braid my hair. I can sit down and twist my hair if I want to. And yeah, that is all about this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for all the requests, for your videos, for your comments that you leave on my videos. I'm really grateful, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.